This product is called CertainTeed Grand Manor. It is a Tudor brown color. Grand Manor gives you an ideal of something that's stately, of a grand manor on an old English farm or English estate. This is a beautiful product. It's designed to mimic slate that would go on a grand manor, on a stately, providential, or provincial property. Let's take a closer look at this, especially for you roofers out there. This particular product, if you notice the ridge cap, it's a high-profile ridge cap. It's the cedar crest ridge cap that gives some extra emphasis to the roof line. In addition, you'll notice that all of the valleys are open valleys. That's required on this product because it's such a heavyweight product. It's very thick and very heavy. It's a 425 pounds per square. And for you, if you're a homeowner, that's just really heavy. A great product. Nice open W valleys. Make sure that you use a pre-painted product or a copper product for your valleys that really accentuates the particular color that you're using. This is a great product. We highly recommend it.